Opening scene. Soft music plays in the background. The camera pans over a peaceful neighborhood with children playing and laughing. Once upon a time in a small village lived two best friends, Ali and Zain. They were inseparable, always playing together and sharing everything.
Oh no, my favorite kite.
I didn't do it, Ali. It just fell.
Zain was scared. He didn't want to upset Ali, so he decided not to tell the truth. But deep down, he knew he made a mistake. The next day, Zain felt bad about lying. He couldn't focus while playing, and his guilt weighed heavily on him. Zain couldn't enjoy his day. The weight of the lie made him feel uncomfortable, and he realized something important. Honesty is always the best choice, no matter what.
Ali, I have to tell you something. It wasn't the wind that broke the kite. It was me. I'm really sorry for lying.
Zain, I'm sad about the kite, but I'm glad you told me the truth. It's okay. We can always fix the kite, but lies are harder to fix.
Ali and Zain repaired the kite together, laughing and flying it high once again. From that day on, Ali and Zain promised each other to always be truthful. They knew that telling the truth might be hard, but it's the right thing to do. Remember, honesty is like a kite. When you tell the truth, your heart flies high. And even if you make a mistake, being honest will always help you soar. Text on screen. Be honest. Speak the truth. Always fly high with your heart.